Today we are doing a washing machine rhyme. I have my own little washing machine that I made with little scraps of material to make socks. But this is something you can do easily when you're doing laundry, as you're getting laundry out of the washing machine and putting it into the dryer, or from the dryer to a basket to be folded. This is a really simple rhyme that you can do that helps recognize colors. And you can do this with any of your clothes. I put my socks in the washing machine to get them clean, and out came. We're gonna reach inside and pull out a very skinny sock. It's coming up. Black sock that would match my shirt today. A black skinny sock. We're gonna put that sock away. I put my socks in the washing machine to get them clean, and out came. Let's go deep in there. Oh, we've got a nice one. Look at this one coming up. I bet you can already start to guess what colors we have. We have two colors on this sock. We have white, and then we have polka dots. What color are the dots? Color of strawberries. Red. Very good. White socks with red dots. We're going to put that sock over to the side. I put my socks in the washing machine to get them clean, and out came. Ooh, this is a nice one. See it coming up? This is a fuzzy sock. What color is this sock? Gray. A gray fuzzy sock. Good job. I put my socks in the washing machine to get them clean, and out came. Oh, we've got another long one here. Oh, this is the color of the sky, of the water in the ocean. What color is this? Blue. Awesome. Let's put that to the side. I put my socks in the washing machine to get them clean, and out came. Do you smell those clean socks? Oh, we've got one down here. It's coming. You see the color? What is that color? The color of grapes. Purple. There is our purple sock. We're going to put that to the side, and we just have one more sock left in the washing machine. I put my socks in the washing machine to get them clean, and out came. One more. Here it comes. Ooh, another fuzzy sock. Here it is. Let's hold it up. Pink. Look at our pink fuzzy sock. It's got a little white in there too. Nice job. That is our washing machine rhyme.